Hi friends, today I am going to explain the second step for obtaining DHA license for pharmacist and clinical pharmacist. I am already explained the first step in previous video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, then please go through the previous video in the I button. Now we are moving to the second step, that is self-assessment tool. For that, first you have to log in your Sharian account that you are already prepared and click on professionals. Then you will be redirected to another page. Here select new applicants. You can see the link for self-assessment tool. Click on it. In this page at the top right corner you can see your name and DHA ID. Make sure that the name is appearing as similar to that of name in your passport. Otherwise you are not allowed to write exam and you may lose your money. So be careful. Let's start self-assessment. If you completed M Pharm in pharmacy practice or clinical pharmacy or Pharm D and have more than 2-year work experience as clinical pharmacist, then you can apply for clinical pharmacist license in Dubai. The procedure is nearly same as that of pharmacist. I will explain the difference later. As I already said, self-assessment is for assessing whether our qualification and experience is meeting the eligibility requirements of DHA or not. You can check the description for more details on eligibility requirements. So, in this step, we should answer some questions. Let's see what are they. First question is, which category are you applying for? Since both pharmacist and clinical pharmacist comes under allied health, select allied health. Next is, what title are you applying for? Here comes first difference between pharmacist and clinical pharmacist or CP. If you meet the criteria for clinical pharmacist, then select clinical pharmacist, and if you want to apply for pharmacist, then select pharmacist. Here I am selecting pharmacist. Next is, what is your specialization? Select pharmacy. Then nationality. Select your nationality. Then comes, which degree do you hold relevant to this position? The second difference for clinical pharmacist comes in this stage. I will explain it later. For pharmacist, select Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy. Next is, which country did you complete this degree from? Which year did you start and complete this degree? Do you have any related professional experience post completing your education qualifications related to this title? When did you start and complete this experience? Where did you complete your experience? Do you want to add another experience? If you have more than one experience, then select yes, otherwise select no. Here I am selecting yes because I am showing a case in which we have 1 year experience after B Pharm and 1 year experience after M Pharm. Then select details like when did you start and complete this experience and from where. Finally, you will see the summary of answers you given. Read and ensure that details given are correct. Then click Get Results. If your qualification and experience meet the eligibility requirements, then you will see a tick mark saying that you are eligible to become a registered healthcare professional as pharmacist. Now, let's see the differences while applying for clinical pharmacist. As I already mentioned, the first difference is while selecting the title. Select clinical pharmacist. Here, while selecting the specialization, you can see some notes, that is, your professional experience must be in a hospital setting and may be fulfilled by the successful completion of a recognized residency program in clinical pharmacy, minimum 2 years. Second difference comes here. If you completed M Pharm in pharmacy practice or clinical pharmacy, then select Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy. If you have completed Pharm D, then select Pharm D. In case of M Pharm graduate, after entering the B Pharm details, they will ask about post-graduation degree. Here, select Master in Clinical Pharmacy. In case of post-baccalaureate, select Pharm D after entering B Pharm details. Rest all are same as that of pharmacist, like which year did you start your post-graduation degree and when did you start and complete this experience, like that. Then click Get Results. Here you can see your result, whether you are eligible or not. This is how we complete step 2 for both pharmacist and clinical pharmacist. So friends, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.